Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's looking to manage your finances better, build wealth, and understand personal finance in a simple and effective way, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 10 clever personal finance rules that will not only make your everyday finance decisions easier, but will also set you up for long-term financial success. And trust me, these rules are super easy to apply, even if math isn't your strongest suit. So let's dive right in. Rule of 72, the quick double trick. Let's kick things off with one of my favorites, the Rule of 72C. This one is great when you want to figure out how long it'll take for your investment to double. Here's how it works. Simply take 72 and divide it by the annual interest rate of your investment. So, if you're looking at an investment that offers a 6% return, divide 72 by 6, and it tells you that your money will double in about 12 years. It's that simple. For example, if you have a savings account offering 8% interest, your money will double in about 9 years. It's a quick way to assess investment opportunities without diving into complex formulas or spreadsheets. 2. 100 age rule. How much should you invest in stocks? You might want to lower that percentage and move towards safer investments like bonds or real estate. 3. The 50/30/20 budget rule. All right, let's talk budgeting, one of the most important aspects of personal finance. The 50/30/20 rule is a great method to allocate your income. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your income should go towards needs, things you absolutely must have, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% should be for wants, eating out, entertainment, and travel. And 20% should go towards savings and investments. For example, if you earn Rs 500, zero a month, you should aim to spend Rs 2,500 on needs, 500 on wants, and invest Rs 0,000. This ensures you live comfortably while also securing your future. 4. The 6X emergency fund rule. Life can be unpredictable, so having an emergency fund is crucial. The 6X emergency fund rule suggests you should save 6 times your monthly expenses in a liquid savings account just in case of an emergency. This means if you're spending Rs 2,500 a month, you should aim to have Rs 1.5 lakh in your emergency fund. The beauty of this rule is that it gives you a safety net, making sure you can handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. 5. Life insurance, the 20X rule. Let's talk about protection. When it comes to life insurance, the 20X rule is often recommended. This rule says that your life insurance coverage should be 20 times your annual income. So, if you earn Rs 500,000 a year, your life insurance should cover Rs 1 crore. The idea is that if something were to happen to you, this amount would be enough to provide for your family's future. And remember, we're talking about term life insurance here, not any of the fancy endowment policies. 6. The 40% EMI rule. How much loan can you afford? Now, if you're thinking about taking out a loan, here's a rule to keep in mind. The 40% EMI rule. This states that your total loan repayment should not exceed 40% of your monthly income. For example, if you make Rs 500,000 a month, your total EMI, home loan, car loan, etc., should be no more than Rs 200,000. This helps ensure that you're not overburdened by debt and can comfortably manage other expenses. 7. The 25X retirement rule. Think about retirement. Here's a game-changing rule for you. The 25X retirement rule. This rule says that you need to have 25 times your annual expenses saved up for retirement. So if you spend 0,00000 a year, you should aim to have Rs 2.5 crore in your retirement fund. This will provide you with enough passive income in your retirement years to live comfortably. 8. Invest first, spend later. One of the biggest mistakes many of us make is spending first, saving later. Instead, try this. Invest first, spend later. This means as soon as you get your salary, invest a portion of it right away before you spend on anything else. This forces you to prioritize saving, and it helps you stay on track with your financial goals. 9.3x3x3 Investment Plan. Here's a simple strategy for how you should structure your investments. The 3x3x3 rule suggests focusing on 3 key areas. 1. Make sure you have a solid emergency fund first. 2. Debt repayment. Pay down any high-interest debts such as credit cards or personal loans. 3. Retirement planning. Invest in long-term retirement funds like the National Pension Scheme, NPS. Once these three are sorted, you can focus on other investments like stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. 10. Tailor your plan. Finally, remember that these rules are just guidelines. While they're tested and effective, every person's financial situation is unique. Always consider your own circumstances and goals before applying these rules. For example, if you're planning to retire early, you might need to adjust some of these rules to be more aggressive with your savings and investments. So there you have it, 10 personal finance rules that can make a huge difference in how you manage money. The key is to start small, apply what works for you, and adjust as needed. Personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. These rules are simple, but they can transform the way you manage your money and build wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. And drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share how you're applying these rules in your own life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out our other videos on smart saving, investing, and financial planning to take your personal finance journey to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for more videos.